Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we will study about the Plaquenix index, and today we are going to study about the elongation index of coarse aggregate. So for this test, the IS code, the required IS code is 2386 Part 1 1963. Okay. So this elongation index is applicable to the aggregate sizes greater than 6.3 mm. Okay, so this elongation index is the total weight of material not passing through the various slot expressed as a percentage of the total weight of sample. Okay, then what is the elongation index? So its definition is the elongation index is the percentage by weight of particles whose greatest dimension, that means the length of that aggregate, is greater than 1.6 times of their mean dimension. Okay, is known as elongation index. Then let's see the required apparatus. So we required a length gauge, weighing balance machine, then trowel and different sieve sizes. Okay, so you can see here this picture is, this is the length gauge. Then next let's see the procedure how to find out the elongation index. Okay. So this elongation index, another name is length gauge. Okay. Then its procedure is the given sample of aggregates which are to be tested and passed through a set of sieves, different sieve sizes, and they are separate into specified range of size. So a minimum of 200 pieces of any fraction are taken to be tested and weighted, that is W1. Okay. Then pass each aggregate piece through the corresponding slot of length gauge, and this length gauge will be 1.8 times the mean dimension of the aggregate. After that, the portion of elongated aggregate which have length greater than the specified gauge from each range is weighted, and the weight which is obtained from the above is then divided by the total weight of the sample taken from the different size ranges, and this ratio is expressed as a percentage which is required elongation index. Okay, and how to find out this elongation index? So there is a formula. Elongation index is equal to W2 divided by W1 multiplied by 100. Okay. So here W2 means the weight of aggregate passing through 1.6 into D means, that means least dimension. Okay. 1.8 least dimension. Then W1 is the total weight of aggregate, and from this calculation we get elongation index. So for road construction, elongation index should be less than 15%. Then why grading of aggregate is necessary? So grading of aggregate to make the structure dense, then it prevents the honeycombing structure, then it achieves the proper workability, then it also achieves the proper finishing. So that's grading of aggregate is important.